The technology that I have used in the process of producing my media text has varied, so I found some temperamental, such as Cam Studio, which is a screen recording software. As the screen sometimes started flashing multicoloured, but apart from that it was fine. I use this program to create videos of my progression and development to add to my blog. I mainly use Photoshop, which is an image editing software, which I use to edit images to create a representation such as Maddie on my front page. I edited the image of her to create a representation of an ideal self, ideal partner, Carl Rogers 1980. And also I used Photoshop to edit the image of Lily for my double page spread to create the representation that connotes a disequilibrium between her and her band member. InDesign is a desktop publishing software which I use to create my front page, double page spread and also my contents page. These are the programs in which my skills have developed. As the start of my project, the abilities were limited, as I have never used Adobe Photoshop and InDesign before. The advantages to Adobe Photoshop were that you could edit images as and when you liked and to how you liked them. Also, an advantage to Adobe InDesign is that you can create a double page spread using guides and correct measurements to follow the codes and conventions, and creating a professional product is quick and easy to do. But one downside is that you cannot edit images in Adobe InDesign. You have to edit them in Photoshop, then place them into Adobe InDesign. I also use Web Application 2.0 O'Reilly 2004 Bubbleless, which enabled me to create mind maps via the internet and upload them to my blog as a PDF for my coursework, such as what my magazine was going to cost, the type of paper I am using, etc. This was also an advantage as it helped me show my planning of the conventions of my magazine. Another online application I used was SurveyMonkey, which enabled me to create questionnaires for my peers and tutor to give me feedback about my magazine, which enabled me to develop my magazine to its full potential, as they could see the problems with it that I couldn't see, in order for me to correct them and increase the verisimilitude of my magazine. Another advantage is that you could convert your results into graphs, which enabled me to add these into videos, which created an easy form of feedback evaluation. The last program is Windows Movie Maker, which enabled me to create my videos for my appendices to add to my blog, such as my Appendix 4 analysis videos. The only disadvantage was that the narration wasn't high quality, which was difficult when it came to creating my videos, as I needed high quality sound as I was adding it to YouTube, then the link to my blog for coursework. I also have used YouTube, which was helpful as it enabled me to add my appendices videos to my blog as coursework, which helped me convey my point across quickly and easily.